Everybody, this is a tornado.
Oh yeah.
Look at it. One's going this way, the other one's going that way.
Yep.
See how it's turning?
Oh yeah. There's good rotation here.
Oh, look! Is that a funnel coming down?
Stop trying to freak out everybody.
No, look at it, Rex. It's got a tail.
Yeah, it looks pretty promising.
Oh, what's that?
If anything touches down here, Wheatley's gone. You know, she's only got to touch one little spot. It's like shooting a BB gun at Wheatley.
Guys, are you looking at these clouds here?
No, these ones here got a tail.
I know, but this one's getting big.
No, the one headed for Randy's got a big tail.
Here comes the wind, guys. Maybe we should go in.
Look at that dropping. Hey, at least my dad's playing.
Han, I think that's growing a tail right here. I think we should go inside. Rick? Rick? I think we should go inside.
Are you afraid, city girl? There's one right there. You're not scared, are you? Check that out. That's dropping. Right over the
And it's a huge one. It's huge.
I just did that.
Yeah.
But the wind did shift
Oh, it just broke up.
direction.
That sucks. What the hell? I don't get to see any good tornadoes.
It looks like it's coming right for us.
Look
That
at
is
these
so
clouds,
cool.
though. That's not a rain cloud, dude. No way. Look at that one.
They look light and fluffy.
I might have to go in.
That's not good. Oh, no!